The rounds of the soul. 10th round in the divine will, Jesus' circumcision. My tender child Jesus, I love you, I bless you and I thank you, follow you everywhere to implore the reign of your divine fiat. In your every heartbeat and breath, in your tongue, in the pupil of your eyes and in each drop of the blood from your little humanity, caused by your circumcision, I impress my I love you. I impress my kiss upon each one of your thoughts and upon the hands and arms of our Heavenly Mother and of Saint Joseph, so that you may feel my I love you when they hug you. I impress my I love you, even upon the breath of the animals at your feet that keep you warm in silent adoration, so that you may feel my love in their breath that implores the reign of your divine fiat. My delightful infant Jesus, I impress my I love you upon the pain you suffered with the cruel cut of your circumcision, and in the first drops of the blood you shed to assuage your pain. I seal my I love you within each drop of blood you shed and within the tears that the sharp pain you experienced caused you, as well as within the tears shed by the Sovereign Queen and Saint Joseph as they saw you endure such pain. Your blood, your pain and your tears cry out for the triumph of your kingdom. My dear little Jesus, I press you to my heart to assuage the pains of your wound, and I beseech you to enclose in your wound all human wills, so that they may cause you no more sorrow. From your wound may your divine will emerge and establish its reign among us.